to give you power.
Lady Caroline, this is Woodgen's FRC. Permission to come alongside your port side, over.
Woodgen FRC, if you just stand by, we'll get this lift on board first and then I'll let you come in.
Roger that, Lady Caroline, standing by.
I've got 12 minutes. 12 minutes and I'm out of there.
Go, son.
Lady Valicia reports tide is pushing the vessel up in the path of Lady Elaine. Told to wait for tide change or when Lady Elaine moves out of the way. Don't do anything unsafe.
Anything out there, told, Jimmy.
It's about 20 to 8. We're doing a bit of personnel transfer from a WP1 to CEQ, Safe Caledonia.
Just going to drop off this video to the Safe Caledonia. Let's get on. It's all good. Yeah.
Okay, Richard, we've got 40 tonne on, we're backing it off, put it on bottom, mate.
Just be to disconnect, buoy it off again and then jump the RV and have a look. Okay, good. Nothing seen this end, so that's good.
Hello, Steve ROV. Yes, we're in position now. What camera would you like us to send up to the drill for? Okay, just selecting now. Rightio, on the drill. Okay, looking good down here. Yeah, you happy with those pictures? Alright, I'll give you a bit more light. Okay, I can send you up a different picture there. Okay.